Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang yung energy update ngayong March 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So, let's begin. Virgo, second half ng March. What are the energies coming in for you? This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing. Energy ng inyong money, ng inyong career, ng health, or ng love life. And love life. So bottom of the deck is Temperance. This is about bringing balance into your life. Yung iba sa inyo, you're into meditation, you're into healing. May mga ginagawa ka para mas maging maayos yung condition mo, ng katawan mo. Ace of Swords. I see learning from you. So, yung iba sa inyo, may opportunities kayo na may makapag-aral or may bagong kaalaman na matutunan or skills. I also see you finding a solution to your problems, no? Ano yun? Problem. Oops. 8th house, pwedeng, solusyon sa problema nyo sa utang, kung meron kayong utang. Or sa investments, no? Kung nagkakaroon ng challenge yung investments ninyo. Your overall energy is the 6 of Swords, moving to a new direction. This is also, I think this is the solution to your problem. Kumbaga, nakakaalis ka na doon sa conflict, maaring yung iba sa inyo may nakaaway or may nakasagutan and maaring naayos nyo na to. You are moving on. So if you're someone na na nakipaghiwalay sa isang partner, sa can be romantic partner or someone na nagkaroon kayo ng close connection, I think you are moving on from that situation. Pwedeng it's either naayos nyo or mas pinili mong magkaroon kayo ng separate lives, kumbaga. Your challenge is the 5 of Swords. So, ayun na nga. Meron ditong challenge, misunderstanding. I also see betrayal, no? Pwede kasi itong betrayal na to is na-accept mo na lang na para wala ng gulo, wala ng issue, wala ng drama. Hinayaan mo na lang. And now you are choosing to move on kasi you want peace. Your opportunity, the 4 of Pentacles, you have the opportunity to bring stability in your life. This is financial independence. Meron ka ring opportunity na maayos yung kalagayan ng bahay nyo. Pwedeng meron kayong kailangang ipa-renovate or meron kayong kailangang pagkagastosan sa bahay. And some of you are also focusing on saving more money. More on savings rin yung binibigyan nyo ng attention ngayon. And then your blessing is the 10 of Cups. This is happiness. Happiness in your family life, happiness in your path, pwede rin sa career mo to. 11th house, meron kang wish na matutupad. Maaring isa to sa mga goals mo, sa mga dreams mo. Your money, the Oracle of Cups. Some of you magsa-start ng business, parang gagamitin nyo yung pera ninyo para pondohan yung inyong creative business. Can be any type of creative business. Kasi, meron kang deeper connection to this na parang hindi mo siya gagawin, hindi mo siya pupondohan dahil lang sa nainggit ka sa iba or nakita mo na magandang negosyo yon. It's like, this is your dream, okay? Ito yung dream mo. Example, pangarap mo magkaroon ng coffee shop. So, ginawa mo yung best mo para makapag-ipon, magkaroon ng funds for that. And now it's happening. 'Di ba? So, it's like a long time dream na inalagaan mo. Talagang kinondisyon mo yung sarili mo na one day you're going to start that dream para sa sarili mo. And that's happening. So, yung iba sa inyo, nakapag-ipon ng maayos. At you're going to use your resources to finally start this long time dream. Sa career, you have the Two of Pentacles. So, ayan, may pagsasabayin ka na multiple sources of income. So, yung iba, may trabaho kayo, may career kayo, and at the same time, you are also starting a business or pinagpapatuloy mo yung nasimulan mong negosyo or other side hustle or other sources of income. I also see na meron kang yung iba sa inyo may mag-open na dalawang opportunities sa career. Tapos kailangan yung pumili kung alin doon yung makakabuti para sa inyo. Yung iba, opportunity para mag-abroad. Yung iba, opportunity para lumipat ng kumpanya. So, nasa sayo yan. But I think, yung movement, yung going to a new direction, yun yung mas magbibigay sa'yo ng clarity, ng happiness, ng fulfillment. So, for your health, may the Tower dito. Nako, Virgo. Kung sa tingin mo naman healthy ka, you don't have to worry. Okay? Kung alam mo na you are in good condition. Pero, if meron kang iniiwasan na harapin sa health mo, kalusugan mo, you have to be careful. Okay? Kasi pwede meron dito unexpected na health issues na kailangan mong kaharapin ngayong second half ng March. So, paano may iwasan? Siyempre, kung alam mo na meron kang kailangang ipa-check, 'di ba? Ipaayos. Gawin mo na para hindi na siya ma-trigger. Kasi I'm seeing some triggers here. Yeah. Yung tipong may bawal sa yung bawal kainin, pero kinain mo pa rin. Ayun, na-trigger na. Pwedeng allergy. Something unexpected. And then, your love life, you have the Four of Wands. So, some of you have a very beautiful relationship with your person. Yung iba magkasama na kayo sa bahay, pwedeng mag-asawa kayo or you are living in together. I see stability in your relationship right now. Maaring meron rin kayong mga gagawing activities ng family ninyo. I'm seeing vacation. Pwedeng kayong magbubook ng Airbnb. If you're single, I think ang focus mo muna ngayon yung family mo. Parents mo, mga kapatid mo, kung ano yung needs nila. Some of you are breadwinners So, maraming umaasa sa inyo. Believe in the impossible. So, I think meron kang maa-achieve na goal mo ngayong second half ng March na hindi mo akalain ma-achieve mo. You are also healing. Merong fertility rito. So, if you are wanting to have a baby, no? Kung kayo ay sexually active at gusto nyo magka-baby, I see a baby here. Kasi meron ding celebration dito. May fertility. And then, you have bodybuilder. So, you are, masyado mong pinapalakas yung sarili mo, yung kondisyon ng katawan mo. So, I think, yung iba lang meron ditong trigger sa health ninyo na magiging dahilan para magseryoso kayo sa inyong kalusugan. Na tipong, kailangan mo na talaga mag-exercise. Ganon. Kinship. Yes, you're going to focus on your relationship with your loved ones and yung mga importanteng tao sa buhay mo, and also community. So, maaring iba sa inyo, magne-network, you are building a strong community. You also have detox. So, ito na, yung related din sa health ninyo. You are releasing anything that is no longer serving you. Yung iba, literal detoxification. Meron kayong mga iinumin na nakakapagpatanggal ng mga toxins sa katawan. Diba? Speaking of nakakapagpatanggal, may release. Sometimes the best way to grow is to simply let go. Yes, let go of the things that are no longer serving you. And focus on your needs. Do you need, your needs matter and it's time to honor them. Ano daw yung pangangailangan mo? Yun yung uunahin mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.